Let's hope I don't mess this one up. Dan's is gonna be better than mine.
I feel like I'm on How It's Made. I've never not wanted to mess something up more in my life.
They look pretty good.
Well, that was the most fun I've ever had in my life. What are we doing, Nigel?
We are going to a warehouse that is not this warehouse.
Whoa.
And we're going to watch, you guys are gonna watch, how skateboards are made. Heat transfer edition.
Specifically your skateboards, right?
Specifically my skateboards. These ones, they just came out. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's cute. It's a cute one.
Very nice.
Yep, so we are going to meet a gentleman. His name is Eric Garcia. He runs PGI Distribution. You'll see, he'll explain everything. Let's go. Sir? Well, we're here, but I guess we'll see if anybody's home.
Who is it?
It's your boy. He just opens it with it's your boy. It could have been anybody's boy, but apparently I'm his boy, so he just opened it.
That must have been really loud in that mic. What's up, everybody? I'm Eric Garcia, General Manager here over at PGI Manufacturing. We're a skateboard manufacturing company, custom design manufacturing company as well. Been doing it for about 20 plus years for the skateboard industry. We're located here in San Leandro, California.
Here we are. You want to take us around, show us what's going on, how everything's done?
Let's do it. I would love to tell you what our square footage is of our warehouse, but I have no idea. I want to say around 14,000.
14,000 square feet of pure just greatness.
Pure greatness.
Skateboard
heaven.
Literally skateboard heaven. They're everywhere.
Yeah, absolutely. You'll see here
like
where we
small boards,
little minis,
big boards.
In the translated form, Nigel boards and Carlos boards.
Yes, pretty much.
and sprayed boards.
Straight boards.
Very cool.
We do a lot of different kind of board shapes, different veneer layups. Over the years, we've worked at a lot of different companies and brands. It's been a roller coaster of a ride, but I'm glad that Braille is finally connected with us, and we were able to make your guys' skateboards, especially this guy right here, because spread the shred is what it's all about right now.
Oh yeah,
man.
spreading the shred.
You want to see how we make your boards?
Yeah,
do it.
yeah. Let's do that.
Let's do it.
We have a wild Australian in here.
Uh-oh.
All right, yeah. Walk me through it. Where do we start?
Okay, let's start over the films area. So basically, all of our skateboards are heat transferred, and it's a PVC film, ink on there, special bonding agent that applies the actual ink onto the wood, and you peel the film back. And once that film is peeled back, your graphic sticks. We scrape around the board, clean it up nice, package it, and you got your packaged boards. Let's see what we got in here, boys.
Oh my goodness, that is absolutely gorgeous. How many of these come in a box usually?
We order 100 at a time, but for you, we got 200.
Sweet.
Because we know you're gonna go through them.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So yeah, the process is pretty simple. You know, we take an order from somebody like Nigel. He tells me, hey, I want 5 7.5s, I want 5 8s. But hopefully that's going to increase to 500 7.75s and 500 8s. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Once the order comes through, the first process is pulling the films. Once we pull the films, it's onto the decks.
I had no idea.
Mm-hmm.
It's a screen printing process too originally. Like back in the day, that's how it was done. But when we first started getting into it around 2005, this was pretty much the new technology of applying graphics to the boards. So like I said again, it's a heat transfer film. It's bonded with heat, and basically once that's applied, you can peel the film back and the graphic will stick. And that's what we're going to show you right now.
Make your moves.
I love it.
What size are you looking for?
I need 8. You got some A1s?
I got some 8-1s for you. Let's see. Look at this right here. 8-1s.
That's the one.
5.
Dan, how you feeling? It's pretty sick.
I'm going to step out of her way, and she will show you how it's done.
This is exciting.
So what we're working at here is a hydraulic heat press roller. The top roller is heated up, and the hydraulic press obviously goes down so that it applies pressure to the film in the board and gets that nice bond. You got to pass it through the machine about 3 to 4 times depending on the actual graphic itself. If there's not that much ink on the board, and you're showing a lot of your wood underneath, then it's probably only about 1 or 2 passes. But since Nigel likes his full bottom print,
Yeah, I'm extra.
he gets a good 3 or 4 passes.
Wow.
Yo, fresh off the press, literally. A board is born.
Well, soon enough, I'm gonna call you guys in and put you on the line. And just to make sure you guys know how to do the work itself.
Oh, hell yeah, I'd be down for that. Can I do one?
Absolutely.
Wow. That looks
So
like a good one
clean.
for my wall.
You're right, it is a good one for your wall.
I'm gonna show them how to print it.
Oh, yes. All right,
All right, 101, how to print skateboards with Nigel right now.
let's hope I don't mess this one up.
And if he does, it's a skateboard.
Yeah,
First, most important thing, what's the nose and tail?
nose,
How do you know?
tail, it's bigger.
God, he's a skateboarder. Well, I go by the notch, because we're a manufacturing company, and we go by what we know. So you go by the notch, and that's the nose.
Okay.
So the application's easy. Line it up.
Line it up.
Mhm.
All right, it's,
Oh, this is the pressure right here.
Absolutely. Now the pressure is going to be when he actually puts it through. We'll see if his
oh,
hands.
how much more do I want on what
We'll
side?
see if his hands get burned off. All right, before you
Alright.
pick up the board, I want to show you how the machine works first. So check it out. We got two buttons here. We got the up button and we got the down button.
Yep.
Up button is obviously already up. The down button goes all the way down. It doesn't stop. If that thing keeps going, it keeps going. But the good thing is, OSHA loves to get on us.
Oh, yeah.
Love you, OSHA. We got knee guards here. Anything ever went wrong, press your knee into it because your hands are going through, and it goes right back up.
Haha,
All right.
okay. Yeah,
Wish
so
we
if
had-
I'm like this and I'm like, oh, okay, I can't stop.
Insert GIF. What you're gonna do is you always want to keep it up first before you put the board through. When the board is gonna get fed through, you tap it here, push it through, hit the down button. When it presses down, it's gonna automatically start feeding.
going, yep.
What I want you to do after that is keep your hands clear from the roller.
All right,
Let it feed naturally.
okay.
All right.
So,
So look, one more
Here.
time. Pull it out real quick because the heat right now is making it
I knew that.
warp a bit. So lay it on top, press the down button, let it start feeding. As it starts feeding, you gotta remember, you gotta reach your arm around
Yeah.
and catch it. Don't let it just drop on the floor.
Okay, I'm
Press
gonna
that
mess.
button
I'm gonna mess
afterwards.
up at some point
You know,
doing this.
step 1 through 20, it's
All
easy.
right, here we go. Here we go. Uh huh.
Now flip it around and pass it through one more time. One more time.
I'm sorry for whoever gets this skateboard, but
I think they're gonna be
I think you can sell
extremely
this
happy.
for double.
You wanna see if you did a good enough job?
Dan.
no, I mean kind of.
All right, let's lay it down.
Lay it down and peel it up.
Yep.
Oh man, this is nerve-wracking.
Get your boy.
Yeah, boy.
Get your
All right,
boy.
okay, all right. I mean, I messed up over here,
We
but
got,
you know.
we got a new employee. His name is Nigel Jones. You
yeah,
start 6:30 a.m. tomorrow.
messed it up a little bit, but I mean, it's my first time. That's
Sorry,
good.
bro.
That's awesome.
Took your guy.
That is awesome. That
right,
is
Dan, you're up.
incredible. Dan, you're up. You're 100% up right now. Dan, for me, do one.
Come on, Dan.
Just one.
You gotta do it. You gotta
Dan.
spread the shred. That's why we brought you, Dan.
Get in there.
Let's go, Dan.
Which way did your graphic go again?
That way.
I don't want to cut off the graphic.
That's fine.
I mean, I guess that'll do.
Well, you gotta remember, this also goes for all the sizes, so the smaller sizes are gonna cut off a lot more.
Man, this is scary.
Did you listen to all that? That one's down, that one's up, feed it through, grab it on the other side, lift it up, push it down, all that whatnot.
I'm definitely hiring this guy. he got it in one shot.
Remember the knee safety, Dan.
There you go.
And you gotta catch it on the other side.
Yep. Steer your hands clear from the roller.
Oh.
Flip it around, do it again.
There you go, Dan.
Oh, Dan's is gonna be better than mine, for sure, for sure.
Turning this into a contest.
Gabe, I hope you know you're getting one.
time.
I'll try one.
Okay.
Wow.
That's so crazy.
And I'll tell you why you had to do it 3 times. Sometimes you have to do it 4.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
But you know, this is your board.
Yeah.
You can peel that, Dan?
I'll feel it off.
Feel it.
Let's see.
Dude, his came out like perfect. I'm so mad. I suck at this.
There you go.
Oh, now it's on you.
Uh-oh. You know, I came with the safety goggles.
Yeah, I know. I know. You came prepared.
That was scary. Dude, I know. I'm kind of nervous. I've never not wanted to mess something up more in my life. I now understand your pressure, Dan.
Wrong way, bud.
What?
It goes on the bottom.
Yeah, you're right. Cut that out.
Full top print, blank bottom.
Yeah, full top print, blank bottom.
I feel like I'm gonna mess this up so much.
It's all in the feel of your fingertips.
I think you're good, Gabe. I think you just gotta send it.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, keep going. I think we're just naturals at this right now.
And you can let the board feed all the way through. Let it just spit out. Don't even press the up button yet. Wait. Okay, there you go.
That's what I was doing wrong too.
And I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you guys, there's buttons on this side too, so you don't have to reach around.
Everything about this.
Hey, hold up, Nigel. I'm gonna get real pro with it. I saw her go like this.
You're hired.
I think we're good.
Gabe might have just done the best one out of all of us.
When we get busy in skateboard production, I'm calling these guys.
Oh yeah, Gabe got the best one out of everybody.
It's not perfect, okay? There's little edges frayed, but it's okay. It's first tee. It's first tee. That was the most amazing thing I've ever done. Like, I feel like I'm on How It's Made.
That's awesome. That's incredible.
Let's take it down the line now, because that's just step 3.
Oh, that's just step.
There's about 4 more steps.
All right, what's next?
All right, let's take it over to scrape. You gotta make those edges look clean.
These that we just made right here. What is this, 5? These 5 that we made right here will be available on BrailleSkateboarding.com. We'll sign it. I'll make Eric sign it too.
The Aussie Dan one is selling for the nice price of $5,000.
Woo! Next step is scraping the outside edges of the board. You want your customers to love the nice, cleanly, clean look of your product. So what we do is we basically, you guys are pretty good at printing, so you don't have to worry about that part. But it's pretty simple. OSHA standards right here, okay? You need that blade with the handle, and all you're doing is just scraping around the corner. Scraping down the line. Get all those nice, roughed up edges nice and clean. Quick wipe. Off to the next step.
Look at that. Now my board's perfect.
What? All right, I got this.
It's a very delicate swipe. I might have to rethink your hire. Well, actually, that technique has never been used.
Somehow Nigel makes it all in the hips.
Artiste. Never thought of that one.
Wow.
I'm really proud of you right there.
I'm really proud of myself, man.
Well, now you got 3 more to go.
Dan?
Make sure that blade gets on there. Make sure you feel that scrape. You could take a little bit of the dye veneer off. It's all right.
Yeah, Dan.
There you go. Perfection.
Australia's finest.
Gabe, we'll give you the most satisfying one because it's got edges. It's got some edges right there. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's
yeah.
nice.
Get in there. Get in there.
Oh, I felt that. It's like the opposite of gripping a board.
Good technique. Look at that technique.
Oh, wow.
Taking after Nigel a bit there.
Beautiful. What's next?
The next step is packaging, because after you scrape it, you got to put in a nice bag, heat shrink it, make sure it's protected until the consumer buys it, right?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's do that. Let's head on over to packaging. Super simple. We do the wipe down one more time, make sure there's no little particles or anything like that. You got your heat shrink bags. Look at that, to shape. Like that nice roundness there. In the bag, over to the sealer.
Hey, Nigel, does that remind you of anything?
Stay fresh forever.
Good thing we don't have the crossbow.
And through the heat tunnel.
Through the heat tunnel.
Now this is gonna take a second because the heat tunnel is moving slow right now. Like it's like something's wrong with it, so we have to run it on a slower pace.
How hot is it in there?
Good question. 400 Celsius.
Dan, convert.
Oh, I don't know. That's the right way.
Shots fired. Perfection.
752 degrees Fahrenheit.
And then one last extra step. We just like to get the little guys out right here. Make it nice and flat for you. Any last wrinkles around the edges. There you go, Nigel. Enjoy.
Packaged, ready to go, sealed, all of that. We actually didn't make bad boards. I thought they were all bad, but they aren't bad. They look pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. All right, I gotta do this now.
I can't wait to see him on the sealer. The sealer is going to be the tricky one for him.
He says the sealer's gonna be the tricky one.
Oh, you already forgot a step.
Yeah, already.
I haven't even touched the bag yet. Tell me I forgot a step. I know what I'm doing. Ish, kind of, not really. No particles, nothing. We're good. What is life? Will you open?
At that rate, he would do about 5 boards an hour.
Yeah, Dan, you might want to go in there and help him out.
I got it in there. It's in the bag. How long do I hold this down for?
Basically on a little timer here. So you're gonna wanna hold it until you see this red light turn back off. It'll turn on to activate. That's when the heating element is on. There you go. Go ahead and press it down. Press all the way. Hold. Lift up. Do it again. You might have to
I'm
do
trying to rush it.
2 more times because you might not hit the same spot. And then press 1 more time. Now pull back, pull. There you go. Oh.
And then you send it through the heat tunnel?
There you go. Slightly diagonally. There you go.
See you on the other side. Oh yeah.
Hot decks indeed.
Oh yeah, see? Hot decks. Hot decks. This is a hot deck. I did kind of solid. Okay.
Dan,
You gonna do this too?
go to work, Dan.
That is very satisfying.
Whose one's this? This is Nigel's one. Look at that.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Why did you guys let me print a board? You knew it was gonna get messed up.
Uh-oh. Beating your time.
I know.
This I'll probably mess up.
Okay, again, start pulling back. Boom.
Wow. First tee.
Slightly diagonal.
Sick.
That's so sick. That is just lovely. The true expert right here.
The trick is to constantly move it. There you go.
Oh!
Dang it.
No.
It's a very tricky step. But once you do it over and over, you get it down.
And now I have learned. Now I have studied. I have learned.
Dang it.
Let's go.
You're in the lead, Gabe.
It's not a competition, but I'm whooping these fools. If I make a hole in it, I'm really gonna be upset with myself.
He might have lost this round, guys.
You got some
Got some wonkers.
That's a lot of extra wrinkles right there.
Uh-oh, you got a challenge.
What have I done? No. I lost.
No, you can fix it. You gotta make sure you don't make a hole though.
It's just like blow drying my hair in the morning.
Oh, Gabe might win this.
Looking a lot better. A lot better.
All right, Gabe. What about the other side?
No, there's already that one though.
It's inevitable.
Well, I took it from like a 6 out of 10 to an 8 out of 10, and I consider that a win. Well, that was the most fun I've ever had in my life.
And there you have it, you guys. That's how a skateboard is made.
Boom. That's it. That's all of it. This was fun. I like this. Thank you for having us out here.
Absolutely.
And letting us, be able to do this.
Of course. Whenever you guys want to do it again, you guys are always
also,
welcome.
thank you for making my skateboards. Like,
Of course. Let's keep making them.
without you, I would not be here.
Absolutely.
Well,
Wait,
wait.
that didn't make any sense. Because you.
Sorry, Mom and Dad. Thank you guys so much for watching. Huge shout out to PGI Manufacturing for making my skateboards here and then also running us through the process. You can check out STS Skateboards at stskate.com or brailleskateboarding.com. There's some videos to my left. Click them, share them, like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and let us know how you like it. Sweet.